I had to send this back to Ruroc for warranty work. Let's talk about how they handled it. Shortly after switching to the 1RS, which was literally the second time I ever removed the chin curtain in this Atlas to set up the motovlog setup, I started having problems. This trim here slowly started becoming detached from the helmet shell, and the chin curtain was refusing to stay in at this point. Well, now it was time to contact Ruroc for repair. I contacted Ruroc after hours. The next day, they promptly sent me a reply. They said it absolutely would be covered under warranty, and the shipping department will be sending me a label because it was going to go on a free ride back to the UK. I shipped the helmet out October 14th and received it back on my doorstep November 25th. That's 43 days. This helmet spent more time with FedEx in Ruroc than it has on my head. Alright guys, taking a look at this. It almost looks like it's a different style of rubber trim that they put on here. I don't know, it just feels different to me. There's like a little bit of texture on it. Maybe this isn't just me. Maybe this is a more than me problem that had this issue. But literally, like I said guys, it was the second time I ever pulled the chin curtain off and this area right here started to detach. Hopefully this takes care of the issue. You can see here that there's a couple spots where the repair isn't perfect. Other than those couple of areas, they did a pretty good job. Yes, I did send this back with the earpieces in here, but I removed the shockwave and I got everything back. Obviously, this is still my helmet. It's not just a new helmet. It has my camera mount on it. So I want to make it clear that this is not a knock on Ruroc video. This is so I can share my experiences with you guys, and you can make informed decisions about if this is a product that you want to buy in the end. I spent a lot of hard-earned money on this helmet. That's why I'm sharing my experiences with you, because this is a big purchase for somebody. And sharing that knowledge is power. But they are standing behind their product. They fixed it for me. I'm so happy to have the helmet back, and I'm looking forward to riding season 2023. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and remember, here we build it to ride. Alright, those of you that stayed to the end, let me know what you think about the new set. It's in progress. I didn't get as far as I wanted to. I don't have it all ready. Let me know what you guys think.